In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the fiscal year in QuickBooks Desktop. Setting up the correct fiscal year is crucial for accurate financial reporting and ensuring that all of your accounting processes align with your business's calendar. So let's dive right in and walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks website. You can do a Google search for QuickBooks Desktop login, or you may already have the URL bookmarked if you're a frequent user. Once you're on the right page, look for the Sign In button. Click it to proceed. You'll need to log in with your QuickBooks account credentials. Make sure you have those handy, as your email and password are required to access your account. After logging in, locate the Settings icon, which is usually found in the top right corner of the page. It's commonly represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on it will reveal several options. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This will take you to a new area where you can modify various preferences for your QuickBooks account. Once you're in the Account and Settings section, navigate to the Advanced tab, which may be on the left-hand side or in the list of options. You'll notice an OK button. Go ahead and click it to confirm any prompts so that you can make changes in the advanced settings. Now it's time to look for the Accounting section. Once you've found it, you'll see an option to edit. Click on Edit to initiate changes to your accounting settings. One essential feature here is the Close the Books option, which you'll need to activate or ensure is correctly set for the fiscal year change. With Close the Books turned on, it's time to choose the date that signifies the end of your fiscal year. This is a critical step as it defines when one financial year ends and the next begins. Think of your accounting cycle and your reporting needs when picking this date. Once you've made your selection, ensure everything looks correct and click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your fiscal year in QuickBooks Desktop. This straightforward but essential adjustment can have a significant impact on your business's financial organization. Always double-check your entries to prevent any discrepancies down the line. Feel free to back up any data before making substantial changes just as a safety net. So whether you're preparing for tax season or aligning your books to match your business strategy, following these steps will keep your accounting in check. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe for more useful QuickBooks tips.